So, man, and I appreciate having you here, but I want to ask this. This is the last question. What do you think it really takes to be a major player in your space today, nowadays?
To be a major player,
Hmm.
you got to have a mentor.
Mm,
You got to have somebody that's been there, done that, and got the t-shirt.
right,
Because if you learn from them, I did it by the school of hard knocks.
right.
I can't tell you how many mistakes I made, but I guarantee you, a mentor, someone to hold your hand and say, look, I've done this before. You're going to bust your butt if you do this.
Right. Right, man.
So
That's awesome.
I think that I think that the major thing, if I had any advice to give a new investor, is find someone that you know has been successful and let them help you.
Hmm. Hmm. And when
It's
you're
going to
saying new
cost you a
investor,
lot less in the long run.
yeah, yeah. And I want to be clear too. Like when we're talking about new investors, guys, we're talking about, let's say you know, you have money, you have money in savings or investments and you're doing stuff and you want to be like a limited partner in like a deal or whatever. You're going to do your own deals. Like you need people around you. You need a mentor, you need a consultant, you need an advisor. Like this isn't a solo player game. So like
No,
Jamie, like I always tell people, I'm like, are you new to real estate or are you like you're what are you trying to do? I was like, because there's an
right.
education gap that's also missing, right? So like you said, like Jamie is an advisor and she's a good mentor, but there's enough information out there for you to go and learn how to stuff. So do
Oh,
your
yeah.
part first, like because it's one thing to have a good mentor, but it's another thing to be a good mentee. Because if you're just brand new and you don't know anything, no one can mentor you through what you don't know. You got to do your own part, which takes like when and I'll do this now in like so because when I met you guys, I hopefully was a good mentee because I was so committed. There was all it was like, tell me what to do, and I'm like done. Or I educated and I came back and I had more educated questions, so you could mentor me. Because like you said,
Right.
do because you've told me a lot of stuff, Victor, don't do that. And I'm like, okay, I ain't gonna do it. Right. And then I did it, and then you were right. And I was like, oh, you were right, like, but I had already done the hard work on my
I
own.
hate being right all the time.
No, man. You know what? That's a superpower. Like not wanting to be right and still being right is a superpower. So, but no, I appreciate that, guys. I really do. Like having a mentor, I 1000% agree with that with you. Oh my gosh. 'Cause you're a mentor to me. You have been my whole life. So I really love you and I appreciate you for that. So, and still,
I love you too.
for sure, for sure.
Or I wouldn't put up with you.
Absolutely. You know what? I agree with that. I was like, you have full responsibility to just like, hey, Vic, no, and get rid of me. So, especially when I don't listen. So, and I appreciate you. All right. So, thank you so much, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you,
you
Jamie,
listen.
thank you for being here today. I really appreciate you. And
Totally my pleasure. My
perfect,
pleasure.
perfect, perfect.
Okay.
So, all right, for sure. Well, you have a
All
great
right.
day. Everybody that wants to get in contact with Jamie, how would they get in contact with you? Just to ask Jamie?
Ask Jamie at Gmail, but make sure you spell Jamie right.
Okay,
It's
it's J
Jayme.
Got
Jamie.
it. Jayme. Ask Jamie at Gmail. And sh don't waste her time because she's super smart. She's there for you. But like I said, she's there to kind of help you move along. So I appreciate you, Jamie.
Right.
Thank you so much for doing this with me and sharing your experience with people. And we're
Anytime.
going to be doing a lot of stuff together. Okay. All right, guys. Have a great day today.
All right. You got it, Victor. Thank you.